Hello everyone. Here I have questions of SET Maharashtra, August 2011. First question is dosage compensation in Drosophila in mammals differs by. Correct answer is hyperactivation of single X in Drosophila males and inactivation of X in female mammals. Question number 2. During homologous recombination mediated by REC-BCT enzyme in E. coli at Chi site, answer will be enzyme produces double-stranded breaks in DNA. Third question, what is pseudogene? Correct answer is a non-functional gene. Question number 4, how are proteins able to bind to DNA at specific sequence? Answer will be by interacting with bases in the major and minor grooves of double helix. Question 5. Black rats of identical genotypes on mating produced offsprings consisting of 45 black, 15 cream colored and 15 albino. Which of the following gene interactions may account for these results? And the answer will be B. Recessive epistasis. Question number 6. People suffering from cocaine syndrome have defective B. Transcription coupled repair system. Virulence of Corynebacterium diphtheriae is due to. Answer will be C. Transduction. Question 8. The yeast 2 hybrid system is designed to identify. Answer number C. Two proteins that directly interact with one another. Question number 9. Diuron inhibits photosynthesis by binding to. Answer A. Photosystem 2. Question number 10. Which of the following properties of water makes it a universal solvent? Answer will be D. Hydrogen bonds formed between water and biochemical molecules. Question number 11. Animal system is not able to synthesize ethanol in their body because they lack one of the following enzymes. Answer will be A. Alcohol dehydrogenase. Question number 12. Which of the following is true for uncompetitive inhibitor for enzyme? Answer will be B. It increases the affinity of substrate for enzyme. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is false for alpha helix of protein? Answer will be D. Left-handed helices are commonly found in proteins. Question number 14. Which of the following statements regarding lipids is false? Answer will be D. Lipids can function as hormones. Question 15. Feedback inhibition differs from repression because feedback inhibition stops the action of pre-existing enzymes. Question number 16. Which of the following is the first product of the CAM pathway? Answer is A. Oxaloacetate. Question 17. Fraction of the population dying in each generation because of deleterious mutation at a locus is known as C. Genetic load. Question 18. Characteristics that have arisen as a result of common evolutionary descent are said to be D. Homologous. Question 19. Categories of species vulnerable to extinction include all of the following except those that. Answer A. Have high genetic variability. Question number 20. A classical example of orthoevolutionary process is evolution of horses. Option will be B. Next question, 21. Which of the following events could lead to the evolution of new gene that contains exons from two or more other genes? Answer is B. Domain shuffling. Mitochondrial DNA can be used to trace parental lineage because it is B. Maternally transmitted, does not recombine. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस की जो भी आंसर की है वो सही है. मैंने पूरी अच्छे तरीके से सब आंसर्स को मिलाकर ही इसमें अपलोड किया है, तो आप लोगों को दिक्कत नहीं होगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. A given population with 0.03% frequency of phenylketonuria can be said to be A. In Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Question 24. If genetic code is tetraplet, then what is the possible number of codons which would code for 20 amino acids? Answer will be B. 64. Question 25. Lysosomes have a very low pH. This is achieved by. Option C. Proton pumps against the concentration gradient. Question 26. The first step of proofreading during protein synthesis is carried out by option D, amino acyl tRNA synthetase. Question number 27. Which of the following is the correct sequence for T cell differentiation in thymus? Option is 3. C. Double negative, double positive, single positive. Question 28. If mouse IgG1 is injected as an antigen in mice, it would generate, option is 8. A. Anti-isotypic antibodies. Question number 29. The human immunodeficiency virus interacts with one of the following to gain entry into the cells of immune system. Correct option is A. CD4. Question number 30. Nuclear matrix is A. A complex of histone proteins and DNA that provides structural network throughout the nucleus. Next question 31. Which of the following is true for secondary messenger molecules? Correct answer is C. They are internal molecules that transduce a signal inside the cell. Signal. Sorry. Question 32. Carmine dye is obtained from option A. Cocaine insects. Question number 33. The primary causative agents of acid rain are option B. Sulfur dioxides and nitrogen dioxides. Question number 34. Natural products from one of the following is used as nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals and cosmeceuticals. Option is A. Aloe vera. Question 35. Protection of its occupancy area encapsulates other species defines the option B. Umbrella species. Question number 36. An assemblage of populations of plants, animals, bacteria and fungi that live in an area and interact with each other defines option B. Ecosystem. Question number 37. In India, air quality is monitored using level of. Correct answer is option C. RPM, CO2, SO2 and NO2. Question number 38. DNA fingerprinting makes use of the following. Option D is correct. Sequence, heterogeneity and polymorphism. Question number 39. Which one of the following would need conservation on higher priority? Option number A. Species which flowers rarely and has a specific pollinator. Question 40. Species represented by a group of populations throughout distribution range is called option number D. Polyphyletic species. Question number 41. A species is designated as vulnerable when option number D. 50% population got extinct in the last 10 years. Question number 42. Metagenomics refers to option number D. Genomes of bacteria associated with metal bioremediation. Question number 43. Alpha, beta and gamma diversity refers to option number B. Landscape diversity. Question 44. Which of the following processes does not generate ATP या GTP? तो option है D. Calvin cycle. Now, our 45th question is, by which of the following mechanisms does an enzyme increase the rate of reaction? So correct option is C. It lowers the activation of energy of the reaction. Now question number 46. The most selective antimicrobial activity would be exhibited by a drug that option B. Inhibits protein synthesis. Question number 47. Osmotolerant yeasts are able to grow at high salt concentrations because their cytoplasm contains high concentration of divalent cations. Question number 48. In a seed, which of the following represents sporophytic tissue? Hypocotyle. Question number 49. The type of nitrogenous excretory product in animals primarily depends on the quantum of protein availability to the animals. And the last question is, development of gametophyte from sporophyte without formation of spores is called aspory. Thank you so much.